This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the U-joints on a 2003 Chevy Suburban with 150,000 miles on it. Now when you crawl under the car and your drive shaft is this kind of play, it's pretty clear the U-joints are shot. So I'll remove these 4 bolts, pull the drive shaft and U-joint assembly out, and go to work. The vehicle in question has been in Michigan all of its life. This particular piece came off the rear differential where the U-joint meets the differential. And you can see how it was worn out. Basically, it was dry as sand. I've changed several U-joints in the course of the last 50 years, and I never saw one this badly worn, so I thought I'd share this part with you. The vehicle had a heavy thunk when you put it in gear or when the cruise control engaged or disengaged. My intent is not to demonstrate how to change the U-joints. There are lots of great videos for that. The keys are, in my opinion, mark the drive shaft and the yoke on the differential. Just use a marker or a screwdriver, just scratch it in there. Since the thing is balanced, you want to know the alignment that was there when you started so you can realign it the same way. And then grease everything well, and it should work out for you. So when I removed the drive shaft, this is what I found. 2 of them are just kind of dried out, but the other 2, see, the cups are broken. That's just slapping around in there. So time to go get the torch. These have that wax stuff in them, so I'll heat this up, press that fitting out, and go to work. So in summary, the process is heat up the end here so that wax comes squirting out of the joint. Then once the wax is out on both sides, I can leave it on this jack stand that I'm using. After heating that thing up, I just took a socket. In this case, it's a 19 millimeter. That was the right size to put on the end of the cup here. And it's kind of hot, but you can see what the ends of that U-joint looked like. So 22 years and 150,000 miles later, it was ready for a replacement. When it comes to installing the Zerk, I just used a ratchet with an 8 millimeter socket. Just tighten that little guy up. The U-joint comes with 4 of these little U-clips. They just go in the groove on the cap. So in this case, 150,000 miles, 22 years, well worn, but no catastrophic failure. Have a great day.